Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Priya. In this video, we are going to learn some basic Konkani words and everyday phrases that you can start using right away. I will say each word slowly and then I will give you time to repeat it. By the end of this lesson, you will know greetings, common everyday words, numbers, useful questions, and simple phrases. Let's begin our Konkani journey. Hello, Namaskar, Namaskar. How are you? Kashi asat, Kashi asat. I am fine. How bari asa? How bari asa? Where are you from? तुझो गांव कै? तुझो गांव कै? I am from Mangalore. Mangalore मुझो गांव. Mangalore मुझो गांव. Had your lunch? जेवण झाले की? जेवण झाले की? Can you help me? मका उपकार करियेत की? मका उपकार करियेत की? Where is your mother? तुझी आवई कै आसा? तुझी आवई कै आसा? She is at home. ती घरा आसा. ती घरा आसा. Is your father at home? तुझो बापोय घरा आसा की? तुझो बापोय घरा आसा की? Yes, he is. वय तो घरा आसा. वय तो घरा आसा. Can I have some water? मका पियोंक उदक मेलात की? मका पियोंक उदक मेलात की? Are you hungry? तुका भूख लगता की? तुका भूख लगता की? Yes, I am very hungry. वय मका भूख लगता. वय मका भूख लगता. What would you like? तुका काले जाय. तुका काले जाय. I would like rice and curry. मका शीत आणि कढी जाय. How much is this? हाका कितले? हाका कितले? Where is the bus stop? Bus stand खंय आसा? Bus stand खंय आसा? Does this bus go to Panaji? ये बस पनाजी वेतागी. ये बस पनाजी वेतागी. Yes, वय वय. No, ना ना. Up, वयर वयर. Down, सकल सकल. Sit, बोस बोस. Stand, उबे राव उबे राव. Sleep, निदे निदे. Wake up, उठ उठ. Time, समय समय. Eat, खा खा. Drink, पिए पिए. Jump, उड़ उड़. See, पळे पळे. Cry, रड रड. Smile, Hans, Hans. Sad, Bezar, Bezar. One, Ek. Two, Don. Three, Teen. Four, Char. Five, Pans. Six, So. Seven, Sat. Eight, Art. Nine, No. 10, Dha. 20, Vis. 30, Tis. 40, Salis. 50, Ponnas. 60, Sat. 70, Sattar. 80, Inchi. 90, Noad. 100, Shambur. And that's the end of our beginner Konkani lesson. Today you have learned some useful Konkani words and phrases for everyday conversation. Remember, you don't have to memorize everything in one day. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing and join us for the next Konkani lesson, where we will learn more useful phrases and everyday conversations. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.